Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Target Plus affiliate payments, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Target Plus affiliate payments, start by logging into your Target Plus affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section of your dashboard. Here, you will find the total amount available for withdrawal. Make sure to review the payment terms to understand any requirements. Select the option for withdraw or transfer funds. You may be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. Available options may include bank transfer or direct deposit. If you select bank transfer, enter your bank account details carefully. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. If you prefer direct deposit, follow the on-screen instructions for setup. After entering your payment method, confirm your withdrawal amount. Double-check that you are withdrawing the correct amount. Submit your withdrawal request by clicking on the Confirm or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation notification on the screen. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Withdrawal processing times can vary, so be patient. Once processed, you will receive your funds based on your chosen payment method. It's a good idea to regularly check your account for any changes. Monitor your email for any correspondence from Target Plus regarding payments. If you encounter any issues, contact Target Plus affiliate support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your Target Plus affiliate payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.